Software development is all about people. People who are passionate about building the next big thing, people who want to innovate rapidly, and people who want to collaborate with other people. That's why they like Git. As a distributed version control system with flexible branching and merging, Git is ideal for fast-paced, collaborative software development. With Git, it's easy to clone repositories, write code, and push back to the master repository. It's so easy, people do this constantly, all the time, everywhere across the organization. The master or golden repository is where all that code gets merged and updated. People are people. They change their minds and make mistakes. No problem. Git lets people revoke their commits and keeps track of changes. Isn't that what software version control systems are for, after all? Sometimes people make big mistakes. They commit code prematurely, or they include large binary files, choking Git. People might try to rewrite history and pretend those changes never happened. Git is so powerful, it lets you do exactly that. Rewrite history. In non-technical terms, history rewrite is a modification of the golden repository and its audit logs, changing history. Sometimes people make really big mistakes. They accidentally delete entire branches or even purge the entire golden repository. People can be deliberately mischievous too, intentionally changing history to cover up mistakes or to do harm. With Git's history rewrite command, poof, it can be erased without a trace. Think this can't happen? In 2011, the Eclipse Foundation accidentally lost many branches this way. Oops. Lost code and faulty audit logs have serious business implications. How do you explain why applications are late, why a project is over budget, or why you can't meet audit compliance? What can you do? Disable history rewrite and seriously impede people's ability to innovate? Welcome to CollabNet TeamForge. First in the industry, TeamForge provides 100% history protection. TeamForge prevents code loss. You control who does what with the golden repository. TeamForge provides tamper-proof auditing. Every code change, every command is automatically registered and archived, leaving the perfect audit trail. And TeamForge provides simple push-button rollback for code repair. With TeamForge, Git is ready for the enterprise. TeamForge lets you realize all the benefits of Git while guaranteeing you the security and audit compliance